Calvary greetings. I want to talk to you about restoring the altar of God. Now, if you read Judges chapter 6, the angel appeared to Gideon and said, "Thou mighty man of valor, go in this thy strength and deliver the Israelites from the Midianites." And then he said, "Wait," Gideon said to the angel, "let me go and prepare an offering and bring it to you." And the angel of the Lord said, "Go and come back." He brought the offering, and the Bible said he put it on the rock, and the angel took the staff and hit it, and fire came out of the rock. And then he built an altar there unto the Lord. And that same night, God told him, "Go to your father's house, bring down the altars of Baal and Asheroth that is on the side." And once Gideon did it, he was delivered from poverty, from lack, from his enemies, and he was given strength and might to become the mighty man of valor that the Lord told him. Unless you bring down the wrong altars, the foundations in your father's house and your mother's house, you cannot ascend to the throne and become who God has called you to be. In this season, may you raise the altar of Jehovah. Understand, altar comes with sacrifice, obedience, and service. Be disciplined because you are called a disciple. Shalom.